Assalamualaikum. Good morning, class. How are you all? Hopefully, you all are fine. Okay, beta. How are you all? Okay. Today we will do classwork. Today is Tuesday, 19th January 2021. Today our topic is weather. Okay, beta. Take out your inspiring science. Okay. We will revise the chapter weather. You will learn the back exercise of the chapter weather in your HW. Okay. Okay. Open the page number 79. Okay, beta. Our topic is weather. Okay, beta. You will learn this worksheet. Okay. You have to learn how to label it. Okay. Write H under the thing you use on a hot day. On hot day, which thing we use? We use glasses and we drink juice. Okay. You will write H and H. Okay. You have to learn this worksheet for labeling. Write C under the thing you will use on a cold day. On cold day, in winter season, we wear upper. Okay, we wear coat. You will write cold. C. Okay, write H under the thing you use on rainy day. On rainy day, we wear this upper. Okay, and we wear these shoes. Okay. Okay, now you have already done this chapter. Now we are just revising. Okay. Next, you will learn the weather names: cloudy weather, windy weather, sunny weather, foggy weather. Okay. You will learn all weather names. Okay. When you go out, you find some days are sunny and some days are hot, some days are cold. Sometimes there is a cloud, sometimes there is rain. On other days, the wind blow very fast. These calls weather. Okay. In hot weather, we wear light cotton clothes. Okay. To keep cool ourselves. Or there is lot of sweating. In sunny days, we like to sit in cool room. We will thirsty and we will drink a lot of water. This weather is called summer season. Okay. In cloudy weather, there are clouds in the sky. The sun hides behind the cloud. Okay. That's weather is called cloudy weather. In rainy weather, there are few months in a year. The weather is cloudy and wet. It rains a lot of during these days. We hear thunder and see lightning in the sky. We see rainbow after the rains. Okay. In this page, you will learn the spelling of cloudy weather, rainy weather, cold days. Okay. You will learn the spellings. On cold day there is a wind. We stay warm by wearing woolen clothes. We cover ourselves with a blanket and we stay close to a fire. In windy weather, there is a strong wind blow on a windy day. It blows away leaves. Sometimes trees falls down. This weather is mostly cool on windy day. Now class, we will revising our back exercise. You will learn all days are sunny. No, it is false. Okay, the weather can change only once in a day. No, it is false. Hot days for few months in a year is called summer season. Yes, it is true. Okay, now look at the exercise. Filling the blanks. People enjoy going to the beach on a dash day, on a hot day. Okay, next one is cloudy days are mostly cool. In winter, we wear dash cloth, woolen cloths. Number 4, we like to sit under a shady tree in a summer, in summer season. On a cold day, we like to drink soup. Soup or ice cream, we like to drink soup. Strong wind blow on a windy day. The cold month of the year is called winter season. Okay. Cross the odd one. Both are hot. This is different. You will cross it. The next one is both are clouds and showing rain and thundering. It is different. It is sunny. You will cross it. Okay. Here is some water of rain and here is a water of rain. Both are same. It is different. It is sunny. Okay. You will cross it. Okay. We wear in cold weather this one and this one, coat and sweater. This one is different. We wear in summer season. You will cross it. This show the wind both and it is sunny. It is different. You will cross it. Okay class, you will learn this exercise. Okay, you also learn this paragraph. You just do and learn the spelling of cloudy, rain, wet, rain and water. Okay class, thank you. Allah Hafiz.